I'll be showing you how to assemble satellite dish, 60 cm size satellite dish. So with this particular satellite dish, you can use it to track free-to-air satellites like Multi TV satellite, My TV free-to-air Christian satellite, and many more. So I will show you how you can assemble it yourself and learn everything. So as you can see, this is the okay. I want to start the assembling of the satellite dish, 60 cm size satellite dish. So the first thing you need to know is using this particular accessory you are seeing. Once you watch this one, you will see an arrow pointing upwards. This arrow that is pointing upwards is where you are going to be concerned about, and you are first of all going to use this one to attach it to this L-shaped angle iron of the accessories. So once you use this particular one, make sure you place it this way, right inside, as you can see. Once you get this particular position, you'll be able to assemble this dish very well. But if you make mistake here, you find it difficult to assemble it very well. So with this, all these accessories you see here, all of them come with the dish. So as I've shown you before, first of all, you use this bolt, you place it right from the inside, you couple it this way, use the nut size 10. Everything here is size 10 with spanner. If you want to use your spanner, is size 10. Then you couple this one as well, right from the inside. Then you tighten it up. Tighten it up. Make sure you tighten up here. This stage you must tighten it up, because if you don't do that, for you to be able to tighten it up when you place it on top of the satellite dish will become a difficult task for you. So once you tighten it up, this is the cap. You can seal it up. I've sealed it up. This is the cap. Water sealant. It has sealed up. After that, if you like, you use this particular one to cover it, or if you like, you can place it here first. It's all yours. The choice is yours. So if you choose to first of all place it here, it's still okay. You tighten it up as well. Tighten it up. Then when you finish tightening this up, you now tighten it up with your spanner. So having done this, before you will now use this particular cap, you use this particular cap, you place it. So this one, you can see the stopper here. You can see the stopper. Make sure that this stopper is in upwards direction or in up position. So we still use our bolt, short bolt, to guide it up. Insert another one. Guide it up. Turn the other side. Insert another one. Guide it up. You still tight it as well. So I haven't gotten this one. It's okay now. So you can now use this particular iron. Place it at the middle. At the middle, place it at the middle, and use the cap to cover it up. this particular area is okay now. It's okay. So this particular area is okay. You can now attach the fuse horn and the LMB. This is the LMB. So we can now tighten it up. Use the LMB. Once we place it there, use the cap of the LMB holder, insert it and cover it up. As you can see, you now use the small nut. You insert it right inside. After inserting it, you now use the small bolt to guide it with your star screwdriver. You tighten it up. So you can see this particular satellite dish assembling is good to go. So this is how you assemble your 60 cm satellite dish that we can use to track multi-TV satellite, which is also called Ghana satellite. You can also use this particular dish to track Christian channels, MyTV Christian channels, free to air. You can also use this particular satellite dish to track NBC action channels. So this particular satellite dish assembling is okay. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you have any comments, go down this comment section and drop your comments and we'll get back to you.